Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Celery juice. Cheers, everybody.
First thing in the morning. Assembly of the juicer. Morning routine.
That's right. We're in there. Camera face. Are we on? We're focused? Alright, we're there. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Celery juice. Cheers, everybody.
First thing in the morning.
Now we don't want to look at this because we'll just look at our face the whole time. So, yeah, we're on. We're recording, right? Yeah, we're recording. So, yeah, I just want to talk about celery juice and talk about how it's been helping you. And, you know, from my perspective, it's really funny because I bet, you know, you've seen a lot, me do a lot of crazy things with health and things, and it's something that
Some awesome things with health.
I just mean in the beginning, I bet it was, you know, just alarming for you or something until it became more solidified with just medical medium and all these books and all this stuff coming out later on. Because I've been juicing celery and doing all this for a long time, but now that you've been doing it for the last few years, I just want to talk about what you're experiencing and how it's benefiting you.
Wow, that's a lot. I love it. It just makes me feel great.
Yeah.
I've had both sides. I've gone without it and need my coffee in the morning to get going.
Exactly.
It's just a different feeling.
Yeah.
Altogether. I drink my juice and then I move on with my day.
Yeah.
I don't have to wait for the coffee to get done. I don't have to do any of that. So.
And it's more natural, kind of long-term energy through the coffee. Just kind of goes up and down. And I've seen you change in the sense of just being more in tune with your whole body. Oh, hey, big boy. So it's one of those things where I know it just takes a long time for people to kind of get used to it, and then the coffee craving will kind of go away.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So just
gets rid of your my skin looks good. Just helps my gut. Cured my IBS. It's amazing.
Yeah, a lot of stomach issues that kind of fall into the family through our eating habits and growing up on the standard American diet.
Right.
Things were not very in tune as far as digestion goes, and something as simple as celery is really the solution.
I'm spreading the word.
Yeah, it's exciting. It is.
It is. I tell people that too when they complain and how badly they feel. I go, I got 2 words for you: celery juice.
Exactly. So it's just cool for me. Like I said, it's just exciting to see this come full circle and to be in the mainstream and all that, and to see it all come so far is just really exciting.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy good.
Cheers to celery juice, people. Drink your celery juice.
Every morning.
Every morning on an empty stomach. Get that hydrochloric acid going, and you're gonna feel better. This is the natural, sustainable way.
It's true.
That we've all been waiting for. There's no need to have any, synthetic chemicals in your body. I think we're all tired of the toxicity from the pharmaceutical companies, and it's just time to trust nature. Something as simple as celery juice will really benefit all aspects of your life, because starting the day with healthy digestion and optimal energy levels is the way to go. So it's really easy, and it's something that I've, like I said, I've seen my mom, I've seen somebody, my family members being tortured by what I've been doing. So it's just funny how, circling back, 5 years or so later, that it's now embraced wholeheartedly, and that's just very exciting for me to see. And because I just think everybody needs it, and it's one of those things where, like I said, we're all tired of the pharmaceutical companies, so it's like, what are you gonna do about it? Like, we all have inflammation, we all have digestion issues or
I
pain.
I went to the doctors and they just give you
It's just something we're all tired of, and it's exciting to see something as simple as celery juice be embraced, because it's something that is very easy, and all you have to do is commit to it, and you're gonna feel better.
Try it.
That's it.
You might like it.
Yeah, that's it. All right, guys. Well, thanks for being here. We're gonna finish the celery juice. Cheers to your celery juice. Have a great day. Bye.